Sabi ni Winter dito sa comment section, Sir Homer, Sir Pau, do you think that the NU Bulldogs have a chance to enter the Final Four this time around? So far, it's a great start for the Bulldogs.
Well, the Bulldogs don't have a fair... anong question? Yes, ang sabi ko kay Winter is the Bulldogs do not have a good chance of entering the Final Four. They have an excellent chance of entering the Final Four.
Oh.
Kasi ito, they're 6-0 right now. And
Hmm.
you have 7 more games left. You're in a very good place. So I think the question of NU right now is whether or not they make the Final Four. The question is whether they're the number 1 seed. Yun na lang ang variable. Kasi ang
Hmm.
importante dito, Pao, is number 1 and number 2 seed because in the final crossover Final Four, twice to beat yan. So importante yung number. Last year, they had a very hellacious season because na-injured yung foreign student athlete nila. And in the UAAP kasi, pag ma-injure yung foreign athlete mo, hindi mo pwedeng palitan, which is a very odd rule. So, in any other sport, team sports, kung ma-injured yung player, pwede mo palitan. Sa UAAP, no, you can't. You can't change your foreign student athlete. But here we are now, NU, coming back with a vengeance.